Hi everyone, and thank you for clicking on this video. Today you can probably see I have some jewelry boxes behind me and I have an unboxing, so you probably already has guessed. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm MJ and here is the box. So this is a true unboxing. I have not opened it yet. I thought I would open it together with you. And Carmen is here. I just want to say hello. She's so big and she's nearly 1 year. She had birthday on 10th of July. So she is 1 year soon. So today she is in this room with me. Back to this box. I have my knife here. So let's open it. Come with my name. Put this one away. Sorry about the noise. And small tape. Says Louis Vuitton here, and here is my receive, and put this one away. Box says Louis Vuitton here. It's a really cute box. Don't eat my jewelry. And the receive. So no, it only comes with like a paper receive. I kind of miss the bigger envelope. Put it away. And this one is just if you want to make it like a gift. It's like a card in here so you can write. Any idea? It's another jewelry from Louis Vuitton. Cute little box. And it also comes with a booklet and drawstring. Probably a guess if you follow me now. If you follow me for a while, you probably now guess, I think. And this is the necklace, the blooming necklace. How cute. Hope you can see it. I now have the earrings. I have them on. I have my bracelet. So let's put it on. Just to show you behind because you can't see it in my neck. Like the logo in behind. So let's put it on. And you have several holes here so you can choose the length. And I have my V here from Swarovski. Let's just put that back there. Let's take it off. Like this. But it does lose the shininess. I can see here already from my bracelet. You can see. So I'm not sure how I make the bracelet shiny again. I have to call them if it's something I can clean it with. So this one is not tarnished, but it has already lost the shininess. You can see. Love the set. And I have this box to put it in. I have some of my Hermes bracelets. So that was my quick unboxing, and if you haven't already, I would love you to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I hope I see you in my next one. Take care. Bye. Just put something there. See how that. So, bye. You want to say bye? Bye.